Good morning. I'm heading down into the transport end of the Ulster Folk and Transport Museum to see a Tim Peake's space capsule. But I'm just crossing the bridge here, and that way takes you to Bangor. And the other way takes you to Belfast. And that station in front of us is Cultra. I'm on the walkway from the Transport Museum down to Cultra station, and tells me that there's wet paint here. And it has to be said, railway lines and cemeteries are great wildlife reserves. I'm hearing all sorts of birds. Heard Jenny Wren, blue tits, bullfinch, and there was a buzzard floating about up overhead. So it's great to have these corridors, green corridors. And this is Cultra station. A nice wee mural there. And I presume that this may have been the old railway station. Just don't know. And it's all been refurbished. Or maybe this is all brand new. I just don't know. This is the 3011 heading to Bangor. All diesel, no steam. And I'm coming up the other side, and I'm going to do a wee circle. Going to see if I can video this bridge. Look at the architecture there. It's not lovely. Somebody's entrance. Not class. Oh no, that's part of the Cultra Inn. Excellent. And this is me on the other side of the track. I think all these buildings are brand new. And this one's certainly refurbished. Somebody's got their wee bird feeders up. It's not good. And I've kept the wooden fascia board up there. Cultra station. With the old bridge.